Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable touchpad when you connect a mouse to your Windows 10. If you use a Windows 10 laptop, you know the use of an integrated touchpad. You can use the touchpad as an alternative to the external mouse. When you connect a mouse to your Windows 10 laptop, the touchpad remains active, and you can use either touchpad or mouse for navigation or another specific task on your computer. However, in some cases, when both the mouse and touchpad are active, you may run into situations where you accidentally move the mouse pointer simply by resting your palm on the touchpad of your device. This behavior may be annoying, and you might want to disable the touchpad when connecting a mouse to your Windows 10. Fortunately, Windows 10 offers a built-in setting that allows you to disable the touchpad when you connect an external mouse. Windows 10 will automatically disable the touchpad when it finds an external mouse. And when you remove the external mouse from your PC, the touchpad will automatically be activated. So, there is no need to disable the touchpad on your computer when not in use. How to automatically turn off touchpad when you connect a mouse to your Windows 10 PC? To automatically disable the touchpad when you connect a mouse to your Windows 10, first, open the Settings app. Then, click on Devices. Under Devices, select Touchpad in the left sidebar. On the right side of the touchpad, uncheck the option Leave Touchpad on when a mouse is connected. That's it. From now, when you move your fingers on your touchpad, you will notice it is not working anymore if you have connected the mouse to your PC. Just remove the mouse from the PC, and your touchpad will start working automatically again. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.